So the other thing is the key was actually a little tight to go into the plastic piece. This is for the Lexus key that's basically installed in the casing. So I had to use a set of pliers like this to push it in, and then so that this hole in the key gets aligned with the hole in the plastic, and it sits in just like this. And this would then be ready to put in this mechanism like this, and then close the casing with along with this electronic piece that has the transmitter for the door and the power doors and the key itself. And for this whole key to work in the ignition, this electronic piece has to be put back in.